How to fix age restriction on Pinterest app. Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix the age restriction on Pinterest app. In order to fix the age restriction on the Pinterest app, you want to log in into your account first of all, and then click on the profile settings and go to account management. So for that, you want to go ahead and click on the settings or the three dot icon and go to account management. Personal information, and here what you could do is you could simply go ahead and change your date of birth. Once you do it, so you want to go ahead and make sure to make it above 18 years old, and then it should be able to fix it. If this is not the case, then you could also try refreshing the app. For that, you want to long press the Pinterest application, and then you want to go ahead and tap on the I button, and next thing you want to do is storage, and make sure to clear cache as well as data. Once you've done it, so you want to also go to this app details section and make sure to check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If this method helps you out, then it's well and good. If it is not working out, then what you could also do is try creating a new account with a different email address, and that should be able to fix it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.